Hello students, welcome to Python programming sample program video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the program which is used to convert temperature in Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we will see this, how to write this program in Python. Before going to write the program, you should know the formulas to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, from Fahrenheit to Celsius. First we will see the formula, then we'll go to the coding. Okay, first we will see the formula to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We will see this. So here Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. So this is the formula, one formula. Okay, then we will see how to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equal to temperature in Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. Okay, or one more formula is there, that also you can use it. So these two formulas you have to remember if you want to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius. You have to remember these two formula. If you remember these two formulas, easily you can write the program. Okay, now see here, if you want to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, what we want the temperature in Fahrenheit. This is the input you have to take from the user, and all other things are constant values. So here, if you want to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you have to take temperature in a Celsius. Then easily you can convert it to Fahrenheit. Now we will see the code. Okay, here is my shell, Python shell. I'll open a new file. So here I'll write the program. First, I'll write the program to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'll take the temperature in Celsius. I'll store it in a variable called cell. I'll use the floating point value from the user. Enter the temperature in Celsius. I'll take this value. I'll convert into float. I'll store it in a variable called Celsius. Then I'll convert this into float. Okay. Now I'll convert this into Fahrenheit. So what is the formula? I'll use a variable called FAH Fahrenheit. Then whatever value I have read, that is a Celsius value that I have stored in a variable called cell. I'll use that. I'll multiply that value with 1.8 because we have seen the formula. This I will add a plus 32. Now this is the value after calculating. Okay, this is the formula. So after calculating this, I'm storing it in variable called FAH. I'll print that. Print the temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to, so where it is there in a variable called FAH. Okay, now I'll just say this. I'll save it say temp.py. I'll run this. Enter the temperature. So I'll enter 35. Now the temperature that is in Celsius is 35, which is equal to 95 in Fahrenheit. Okay, now I'll do the vice versa. Now I'll take the temperature in Celsius. I'll store it in a variable called FAH. Enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. Now I'll write the formula to convert into Celsius. What is the formula? The formula is Fahrenheit minus 32 to 5 divided by 9. So this is the formula we have seen, divided by 9. Now where is the value? The value is there in the cell. Now I'll print this. The temperature in Celsius is 7. Okay, I'll print this now. Now enter the temperature in Celsius. I'll give 35. I'm getting the temperature in Fahrenheit 95. I'll give 95 now. I should get 35. Now see the temperature in Celsius is 35. So student, this is a simple program which is used to convert from temperature in Celsius to Fahrenheit, from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So you can modify this. You can write it in the form of functions, or you can use it try and except block as well. So quickly I'll show how to write this program in functions. So I'll use two functions here. That is Celsius to Fahrenheit, one function I'll use. Then I'll use one function called Fahrenheit to Celsius. These are the two functions I'm calling. So how to write function in Python? You have to use a keyword called def and the function name. That is cell to, that is Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then you have to give this is the function definition I'm writing. So def is the keyword and followed by the function name and the colon. I'll give the indentation here. That means our function begins here, and when the indentation decreases, that indicate that function ends. Now I'll write the one more function which is used to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I'll write that function name is Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, I'll give the indentation. Now I'll save it. I'll run this program. Enter the temperature in Celsius. I'll give 35. I'm getting 95. Enter the Fahrenheit. I'll give 95. I'm getting 35. Now I can call an n number of times this one. For example, assume that I'll call this function 2 times. Okay. Now see here, that function will get executed 2 times. Now enter the temperature in Celsius. I'll enter 35. I'm getting 95. Now enter the temperature in Fahrenheit, 95. Now once again it's asking, because we have called that function again. So this time I'll enter 40. Now I'm getting temperature is 104. That 40 is equal to 104 in Fahrenheit. So student, I hope you understood this. Thank you so much.